Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we are going to unbox my latest sneaker pickups. We have a Jordan brand sneaker over here. We have a couple of nice, really awesome looking Under Armour shoes as well. And we will also be checking out what I think is one of the best ways to be able to display your grails, which is this awesome custom acrylic box, which I'll talk about in a bit. Excited? I am. Let's go. Before I get started, let me just share with you guys, if you don't know and you live in the Philippines, that you might be missing out on one of the biggest sales happening ever this year, which is the Lazada 7/15 or July 15 bounce back sale. It is their biggest sale ever, and it is going to happen on July 15. If you're looking for sneakers, then you might want to watch out for the awesome deals that they have for Under Armour shoes. Up to 40-50% off, including the Under Armour Hover Phantom, which is one of the most comfortable sneakers that you will ever get to wear. So if you guys are looking for shoes, if you're looking for kick-ass sneakers, make sure that you check out the Under Armour shop over at Lazada. I will put links down below in the description box as well as in the comment section on some of my, how do I describe this, like pairs that I recommend. So with that said, let's get to the unboxing. Let's kick things off with this sneaker. This is a Jordan 11, something that I've had my eyes on for a while. I wasn't able to win it when it was launched here via raffles in the Philippines, but I was finally able to get it at a good price via our good friend Good Souls PH on Instagram. I'll put a link down below to his IG account in case you guys are looking for, well, sneakers that are kind of hard to find. Now, as you can see, Jordan brand logo up front with the Jumpman logo, details of the shoe. I did go size 13 on this one, and if you pop the box open, you have some sort of like black tissue paper, and so clean. But bam, take a look at that. So this is the latest Jordan 11 that was retroed and came out in the Philippines maybe a few weeks or months. I already forgot when it came out. I'm just happy I was able to get it. Now, as you can see, you have that black patent leather along the sides, which gives it that nice shine. The upper is dominantly white, and you have straps over here along the sides to give it more foot containment and structure. You have the laces as well, and you have that nice red outsole over here and that carbon plate here along the middle of the shoe to give it more support and stability. The Jordan brand logo over there, Jumpman at the back, and it's just a really nice looking, well-built shoe. I mean, if you were to ask me my favorite Jordans, it would really be the Jordan 3, which I've talked about in a lot, and I have a couple of Jordan 3s in my collection. Then I'll probably go with the Jordan 13s, and I recently did a review and feature on the Flints, as well as, I forgot, I think it was a Chinese New Year one, and then it would be the 11s, because again, in terms of performance and comfort, they're there. So it's not just all about, you know, the foot containment, but it's also giving you comfort if you want to wear them casually. So that's why I like the 11s, and they're kind of iconic and classic, right? So yeah, very happy to add this to my collection. This will definitely go in the not for sale display cabinet here that I have at home. The next shoe that I'll show you guys and unbox is from Under Armour. This is called the Under Armour Hover Phantom Sashiko. So take a look at that. It says over there, Sashiko. Now, I'm not sure if this released locally in the Philippines. This sneaker apparently is inspired by either Japanese samurai or Japanese shoguns or ninjas. Something about how their kimonos are made or how it's, I don't know, put together. And I really can't see it in the shoe itself, but I think the story of that alone made me buy it. Plus, the color, because I am absolutely loving the blue color on this one. So if you take a look at the upper, it is blue. You have the hover technology midsole, which is like Under Armour's response to Boost of Adidas or React of Nike. Now, the Sashiko tailoring, I think, has something a lot to do with the forefoot over here. That's how I guess it's all about, no? Now, if you take a look at the bottom, I also love the fact that it's almost some sort of like yellow gum sole, which complements the white and the brown really well. Anytime you have dark blue and white, brown just goes with it so well, and that's what you see over here. So again, this is the Under Armour Hover Sashiko. This one, by the way, is also connected, so you can actually connect this to your Under Armour app on the phone and it should give you running and walking and fitness metrics as you wear them. And the last sneaker that I want to unbox for you guys is also from Under Armour, and this one is the Under Armour Phantom Run. I think this is like the latest edition, and this one is in size 13, which is a comfortable size for me. And if you pop it open, again, it is the connected version. You see that by the label over here at the top. And then this one is actually the all black shoe that I showed you earlier. And I'm not a fan of triple black sneakers, but this one, the textures really just got to me because I love the dimensions. I love how it's like 3D in a way because it's not just flat, because you have this swirly thing. The cage on both the lateral and the medial side really worked well. And I just love the overall build of the shoe. And again, I'm a huge fan of Under Armour Hover. You guys really have to check it out if you haven't yet. Don't force yourself to buy one, but if you find yourself in an Under Armour shop, try it on feet and try to compare it with what you have. And I think you'll be surprised. And again, Under Armour Hover Phantom Run. Look really good in black, right? As I mentioned earlier, I have a couple of grails that are on display here on my wall. So we have the Off-White Jordan Chicago 1. We have the Off-White not Chicago Jordan 1 UNC. Obviously, we have over here the Travis Scotts, the lows and the highs. And I even have like this really nice sneaker that was customized by Quicks, Filipino artist. I really love his work. Now, to display this, usually you just put them there or put them in a nice box. And I think I found like the absolute best box. So as you guys can see, this is a custom acrylic box that really resembles the actual box of Off-White, the Jordan 1 Chicago. So you have Jumpman in quotation marks at the top. And then if you take a look at the side, Off-White care of Nike, shoebox, and then the address. It even has the size details over here, so you can see. And then if you take a look at the other part, it actually has my logo. So CO721 Squad. So this one was actually sent over by the awesome folks from Akuzamu. If you guys want your own custom acrylic boxes, please do check them out. They're an awesome startup, awesome company here in the Philippines. And if you want to display your grails, man, you just can't get any better than this. So let's try it out. Dude, this is perfection. I mean, take a look at that. Perfect fit. You can do it in like this setup. I mean, you don't have to cram the shoes. It's breathable. It has enough space. And it's see-through, so it looks really nice. So if you want to display it, I really think this is one of the best ways to display your grails. So again, guys, shout out. If you're looking for custom acrylic boxes like that one, check them out. A Filipino startup that does custom acrylic boxes for collectors. And that wraps up our vlog for today, guys. If you didn't see my recent vlog where I talk about this watch, which is now my favorite G-Shock watch, well, because it's my only G-Shock watch. It's my first G-Shock watch. I'll put the link down below as well so you can check it out, where I bought this together with a nice Seiko for the wife when we dropped by the Podium Mall here in the Philippines. So with that said, I hope you guys are doing fine. Don't forget the Lazada sale. Add to cart now, July 15. Hit checkout, including all of the awesome sneakers that I just showed you today. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.